Hey YouTube, it's me. I started my lock journey with two-strand twists. See, I have a 4C hair type. I've been locked, I'm not locked, but my starter, these are my starter locks. I installed them January the 1st, 2022 by myself. I just did my parts any kind of way. It took me 4 hours. I did it by myself with a mirror. And I've only had them in. Today's Friday, January the 7th, so it's been 7 days. And it's looking really nice. I'm adding water to them every day to keep them moist. And my hair was here. I trimmed it up 2 inches before I started the retwist. So I'm really glad. This is the products that I've used. So it's Lock and Twist gel. I'll show you what it looks like. The consistency is nice. Doesn't leave a residue. I use this on my husband's hair. His hair been locked for 8 months now. They looking real good. I maintain his locks. But I really like it. And you can see there's no residue on my hair or on my scalp. And I use the leave-in Lot Body coconut and shine oil. That helps with my dry scalp. And I don't think my scalp is dry. I think it's just, you see the loose hairs on my starter locks, my twist out, is touching my scalp. And I think that's what's irritating my scalp. But when I put this on, it stopped because I put it all over my hair to keep it moist. So I think when you're doing your starter locks, keep your starter locks moist. That's going to help. And I also use this rose water. I got it off Amazon. $14. Oh, it smells good though. It really smells good. And I put some of this in my hair. Leave-in conditioner. Who's this by? Moisture Miracle. African Pride. You can't go wrong with them. I put that on my scalp too. I think I do that just every week until my starter locks turn into start locking. Because like I said, my scalp, as long as you keep all your hair moist, your scalp probably won't itch. Mine hasn't itched since this morning. And I added when I added the leave-in. Yeah, so let me show you the consistency. When my locks mature, I don't think I'll be using this because I think it'll have buildup inside my lock. So I'm not going to use this when my locks mature. And when I wash my hair, be mindful to go in and wash my hair really well. Get it off my hand. And also, the leave-in, show you the consistency. It's like a liquid. Let me see if I can show you. It's real liquidy. It's not sticky or anything. I love it. And, of course, I got my continuous water bottle from Amazon. I just go in, spray my hair. And the more water that you use, so far I've been doing it every day. And you see how nicely my hair is shrinking and it's knotting. So if you want your locks to lock up fast, use some water. This is bottled water, not tap water. There's no chlorine or anything in here. It's pure bottled water, spring water. I got to get some distilled water. So I'm going to take my glasses off so you can see a little better. I'm too cute. It's not bad for over 40. Yes, I got a lot of gray hairs. I'm not dyeing my hair. Starter locks look good, man. It's my second time installing them. The first time I did coil twist, I didn't like it. Now that I work from home, I'm doing the COVID stay-at-home lock journey. So I ain't gotta be in front of nobody. I work from home. I ain't stressing nothing. Yes, ma'am. I gotta look over here. I'm on my Apple iPad, so I gotta remember the camera is right there, not over there. So subscribe and follow me, my journey. I'm gonna be posting a video when I do my next twist out, which will be, see, probably the end of January or either the start the 1st of February, because I installed my locks January 1st, 2022. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go let y'all lovelies, but I just because it's all about the locks. Just want to show you the 2-strand pattern. I don't want to take them loose. Like I said, it took me 4 hours to do it by myself, and I enjoyed doing it. So, and when they start maturing, I think I'm gonna do my part on this side or either this side. Well, I might do a side part when I retwist, but I kind of want to see how they grow out this way because there's lots I can do. And try not to pin your hair up too much to do styles because it's just pulling your hair. And you don't want to pull your hair from your scalp, but you want to just let the locks do what they do. Leave them alone. And I use my scarf at night. Put my scarf on. Cover my hair up if I'm lounging around. So, talk to you later. Subscribe. Watch my journey. Talk to you later. Bye.